Welcome to this course, and in the following videos I'm going to be talking about several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. Most people think that you need a large YouTube channel with millions of subscribers and millions of views in order to be successful on YouTube. And yes, it is true that people on YouTube who have millions of subscribers are making a lot of money. What's also true is that you don't really need a large channel to earn a full-time income. I know of YouTubers with small channels who are earning a full-time income, and that's because they're not relying on just one or two income streams or the popular income streams and business models that you hear about, such as making money from YouTube ads being placed on your videos. But with that said, you do need a business model around your channel. Don't just focus on growing your audience and your AdSense revenue. And AdSense revenue I'm going to talk about in a later video, and it's basically the revenues that you earn when people click on ads on your videos. And mind you, when you first start out, you may have small income streams, but if you add them all together, they can add up to something significant. So you should strategically try to build multiple streams of income. So watch the following video in which I'm going to talk about the several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber.